and welcome to the vlog. So we are going to travel home to the US for a visit just next week. So in the last couple of weeks we've been trying to look for souvenirs to bring home, things to show our friends from here. So we've been doing a little bit of shopping, and as we go out we look for unique things that we can bring home. It's really fun. Well, one day we had a free afternoon, so we decided we were gonna run over to Puerto Galera because they have a lot of cool souvenirs there. And it's been rainy here for a long time, and it happened to clear up a little bit that day. So we thought it's a good time to head over there. Well, on the way, we went through a massive flood, and the water was so deep that our car almost died driving through it. It did not feel safe to me. So what you see next is that we ended up being stuck for the night in Puerto, which wasn't the worst thing ever. It's a really fun place to be stuck, and so you'll see what we were up to and the good time that we had, and Eli being able to jet ski for the first time here in the Philippines in the ocean was so cool. So enjoy the vlog.
Okay, this is a very interesting development. By the way, welcome to the vlog. We are in Puerto Galera in White Beach Resort. We did not realize that we're gonna stay here tonight. We were just gonna come here so we can get souvenirs for our friends when we get back, but it's raining really hard, and the road here is really scary and flooded. Like literally, lumusong kami sa baha and muntik nang mamatay yung sasakyan namin. Anyways, so we're here, so we're gonna stay here, but we need to get back to Calapan by tomorrow morning para makapunta sa simbahan. So we're just gonna stay the night. Hi, brother. So he is one of our friends that has a store here in Puerto Galera, but this is freaking exciting. Hey! So they're here getting ready for food. It's really cool. I'm really excited. I'm hungry kasi nakakatakot yung biyaheng yan.
I need some time for my nerves to settle. I need to eat and relax, and then we'll have fun.
Yeah. I am super excited kasi we decided that, hey, we're almost ready to go home, and may mga bagay kami dito sa Puerto na hindi pa namin nagagawa. I wish we can do this like in Coron or something, but you know, Puerto is amazing as well, and this is gonna be a wonderful experience.
We'll have to do it. Have to get our things here.
But thank you guys. It was freaking delicious. Salamat. And now it's time to get wet. We're gonna get wet. Okay, so we're heading to the hotel so we can change and get ready so we can go swimming. Okay, so new hotel room. That means
we're staying for the night.
Bed jump. Don't go there. Jump. Okay, new hotel. Let's check out what's on the cable. What's on the TV? What are we, from the Philippines?
It's a massive bed.
I know.
Now that's a family bed.
This is not a king size bed. This is an emperor bed. Ride the jet ski?
I don't think so. I think I want to stay on the beach with the kids. I want you to go and have fun.
Might be too cold.
It's only too cold if you fall. You're falling.
You obviously haven't been to the jet ski. You're gonna get wet no matter what. You excited?
Yes, yes.
How do you like it? Holy crap, that was tiring, but it was so much fun. My legs are so sore. I'm shaking. Oh, it was so fun. I wish you have tried it. Hi, are you cold? Hi. Yes. Hi, Eli, how was it?
Great.
Taya! You okay?
Yeah, can you get the kayak? Hey, literally, look at a ginormous bird.
Oh yeah, like that? Oh man. So we just realized that Eli actually doesn't have any clothes. So we're gonna go get some clothes for him. Really quick.
Oldest, most responsible child did not pack dry clothes for after swimming, and then turns out he needs clothes because we're not going home.
So we're gonna go get some clothes real quick and then come back, eat dinner, and then do some shopping. Let's do this! So we found a place to eat. I think we're just gonna order and then we'll go from there. Ayan. That was so epic. But the kids are really scared. They got scared from the fireworks. Okay, we've been here eating for a while now. And right outside the restaurant, there's a bunch of vendors that sell toys and stuff. They kept whirling and whirling these toys, and they would stop. And every time I look, or one of my kids looked, they would start spinning it. So Laura had a brilliant idea, which is what, love?
We're gonna turn the camera. We're all gonna look at them. We're all gonna stare at them. Smile, whatever. Don't break eye contact. And see what they do.
Yeah? You got it.
Okay, ready?
Sorry, buddy. Sorry, buddy. Yes, this video has obviously been a long time ago, but this is the day that everything started getting really busy with traveling, recording, and things like that. We obviously have a lot of videos for you guys. It's just a matter of actually editing it and posting it for you guys. But something to look forward to, we actually got featured dun sa isang palabas dito sa Channel 11 sa GTV. We were featured sa I Wonder, which is super cool. We recorded our reaction video and it is hilarious. Look forward to that. That will be the next video. And we thank you guys for watching the vlog, especially that we skipped a lot of weeks and you guys stayed, and we really appreciate that. Hopefully you keep supporting our family. Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta. Please, kung bago kayo dito, hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button because that really helps us. Leave a comment down below para malaman namin kung sino kayo, where you from, and all those stuff. Anyways, maraming salamat ulit, and we will see you guys in the next video. Bye!